Because I love Valentine's Day, I present to you these magical Valentine character design ideas for your OCs. First up, rosy bush hair. Forget boring hairstyles. What if your OC had an entire blooming rosebush for hair? Your OC will have to trim it constantly like a master gardener to maintain the wildest hairstyles that can say so much about them. Just like a topiary, it's the perfect way to show off a soft, floral vibe or maybe their little tawny personality. And speaking of roses, next up is tawny hottail. Why not give your OC a levity tail? It's perfect for a mischievous imp who accidentally trips people, pops balloons, and breaks hearts on purpose. Also, it doubles as a weapon and a mood indicator. When they're mad, the tones flare out. It's the ultimate combination of cute and dangerous. Now, for something sweet, say hello to hot lollipop antenna. Your OC could use this antenna to pick up love signals, aka they can hear all the latest gossip. But the downside, birds keep trying to eat the candy off them. If you want extra fun, you can give the crook of the antenna cracking like candy when they get embarrassed. This will be absolutely perfect for an alien OC or simply a silly goober. Okay, let's move on to the next idea. Love letter hair. Their bangs and hair could literally be envelopes with little heart seals to keep all the little secrets hidden inside. And when they're nervous, they could accidentally spill their love letters everywhere. Oh, and you can even give them the ability to pull infinite papers out of their hair. Next idea is love-sick eyes. You've heard of rose-tinted glasses, so why not rose-tinted eyes? Your OC could see the world as a land full of love and happiness. Or worse, they could get madly obsessed with a crush. Their eyes literally make them see everything through a pink filter. It really makes you wonder, can it be a curse or is it some kind of love disease? Time for something a little bit more monstrous. Sweet gift monster arms. It's the perfect sweet design for a monster OC who looks like a trick but packs a punch. Imagine if they removed the ribbons and they turned it to a more monstrous form, as if they were hiding behind their yummy chocolate exterior. Now, for a gorgeous idea. Perfume torso. It's an elegant design, perfect for a gorgeous potion crafter. The liquid could change color depending on the potion they're making. They can literally spray potions at their enemies. But be careful, they're fragile. Their glass could break at any moment. Alright, next up is sweetheart candy legs and chest. Crunchy, vibrant, and full of personality. Perfect for a playful, bite-sized OC. The little messages on the candies could actually change based on their mood. So you get silly Easter eggs, and the sugary sweetness could make them be a glorious acrobat. I mean, who doesn't love sweetheart candies? Or maybe it's just me. And something classic. Hermes wings. We're talking about those tiny little wings you sometimes see on wrists and ankles of OCs. What are they for? Well, they could use these wings to flutter for speedy deliveries of love letters, or for dramatic escapes from bad dates. Sometimes going for the classic lovecore works. Well, which of these Valentine ideas was your favorite? And what do you think of the new dummy? Should I stick with it or do I change it? Let me know in the comments down below.